Well guys, January 1st, 2019. It's been fun. We got smoked by the Prime Tech. I guess it kicked up a rock. But I'm gonna, first things first is I'm gonna try to get it now. I wish I would have broke that one. If it would have broke that one, that would have been no big deal. We just slap a piece of plexi in that one and go to town. Alright boys, let's see if this made the trip home. Oh, it's alive. Boone! It's alive, Boone! Alright, let's get that out of there and we'll see if we can find something to replace that. Hopefully we can. If not, I'm gonna take that thing tomorrow to work. Alright, so check out this technique I figured out here. It only makes sense, but so trying to get this to come off with regular blade just ain't quite cut. So you go up here, it only makes sense, but hot knife through butter, just get that blade a little warm with your torch. That stuff's coming right off. Alrighty guys, back at it. This is reinstalling windshield part 2 of 1 or whatever. So yesterday, gosh dang, it was right at quitting time. Rock went through the mulcher, came out, and the hood was closed on the mulcher, go figure. But it bounced through, put a hole right in my windshield, and Messick's one's 500 bucks. 500 big ones. Or 5 whatever, you know, that's a couple bucks, and plus it would take like a week to get here, and it absolutely sucks running the machine without a windshield, especially around a mulcher, because apparently that's kind of dangerous. So what we did is this morning, lit out pretty early, kind of bailed on work, went down to West Sac and got down to the Plexi guy's place I was telling you guys about, and we just got a piece of 3/16, the same thickness as the windshield that was on here, of Plexi. Now, this piece was a scrap piece, and it was the only one that they actually had that was the right dimensions. It's just a little bit long, but it'll be nice and easy to cut. It actually worked out the right dimensions one way and just a touch long the other way, so no big deal. We'll make this sucker work. And then that was 20 bucks. It was a minimum charge. They wanted 20 bucks for it, so I just bought a bunch of other stuff too to eat up that minimum. and buzz this side off and go to town and get this sucker installed. I don't think it should be that big of a deal. I got some double-sided tape and then some you know, weather stripping in case it comes to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing cut and installed. My suspicions were correct. I did have it clock quarter turn off. Easy fix. Now I'm just gonna mark it where I want to cut her. Stay. Alright, other than the white tape I had to fill in because I ran out of that fancy 3M stuff, that should do the job just fine. Right now, material wise, my sheet, you could say 20 bucks for the sheet and 15 bucks for the sticky stuff. We ain't that bad at all right now, and it'll work until we save up some pennies for the new one. Only problem is the sticky stuff I used wasn't as thick as the sticky stuff Kubota used, so I'm gonna just put a couple. I don't think I can adjust that up there. Not enough if I can. So I'll just put some weather stripping on the outside of the glass. But aside from losing my windshield wiper for the time being, I might put it on there and try it. But it's just Lexan, so it'll probably get scratched. But other than that, it's something safe. Safer than nothing on there. And then my heater will work in the morning, so I'm not freezing. Yeah. But I'll just leave that for right here, huh? Because we're gonna unload the bucket tomorrow. That's a nice photo of this rig right there. V-belt says let's roll, so let's end this clip. Not the most perfect of windshields, but it'll do for now. Keep the dust out of my eyes and the warmth in the cab. A little chilly out here, but for the price we paid, that'll do just fine. Couple little kinks, but sometimes lesson learned, or it costs you a little bit. But I was in the cab when the windshield was broken. My head was turned sideways, so I didn't actually see the rock hit the windshield, but I most certainly heard it. It was not quiet, and it scared the crap out of me, and I didn't know what window it actually hit because it just, where'd that come from? And sure enough, it was the main one. I guess it could have been worse if it would have busted probably one of these. That would have been a lot worse. So got off easy on that one, but that's gonna end it. Thanks for watching, guys. V-belt says let's roll, so we're taking off. Thanks for watching. Hit them buttons. I'll see you later. Thank you.